What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to get into details on the HEROES Act and exactly what is in the second stimulus package that was proposed by the Democrats. Before we get into the video, guys, please like it if you like it. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Now, this is a quick summary on the HEROES Act. This is actually on a government website at house.gov, and it was uploaded by Democrats to give you a brief overview of what is in the HEROES Act. Should take about 2 minutes. Let's get right into it. Now, step one in the plan, honoring our heroes. This provides nearly $1 trillion to state, local, territorial, and tribal governments who desperately need funds to pay vital workers like first responders, healthcare workers, and teachers who keep us safe and are in danger of losing their jobs. This is basically the federal government giving money to the state governments to help support specifically frontline workers. Second, a Heroes Fund for essential workers establishes a $200 billion Heroes Fund to ensure that essential workers who have risked their lives working during the pandemic receive hazard pay. Now, essentially, this would provide extra money for every essential worker for the last, I think, 3 to 6 months. I believe their proposal was adding an extra $13 per hour for everyone that's been working retroactively for the last 3 to 6 months. Testing, tracing, and treatment. This provides another $75 billion for coronavirus testing, contact tracing, and isolation measures, ensures every American can access free coronavirus treatment, and supports hospitals and providers. The next item, more direct payments, guys. Now, this is the juicy one that everyone's looking forward to. This cushions the economic blow of the coronavirus crisis with a second round of more substantial economic impact payments of $1,200 per family member of up to $6,000 per household. Now, that is the second stimulus check that we're always talking about. The next item is protects payrolls. This enhances the new employee retention tax credit that encourages employers to keep employees on payroll, allowing for 60 million Americans to remain connected to their paychecks and benefits. This is essentially a tax credit that the government is giving to businesses to continue to keep employees and not lay them off. Worker safety is the next item. This requires OSHA to issue a strong, enforceable standard within 7 days to require all workplaces to develop and implement infection control plans based on CDC expertise and prevents employers from retaliating against workers who report infection control problems. The next item supports small businesses and nonprofits. This strengthens the payroll protection program to ensure it reaches underserved communities, nonprofits of all sizes and types, and responds flexibly to small businesses by providing $10 billion for COVID-19 emergency grants through the Economic Injury Disaster Loan Program. The next item is preserves health coverage. This item would protect Americans from losing their employer-provided health insurance with COBRA subsidies to maintain their coverage and creates a special enrollment period in the Affordable Cares Act exchanges for uninsured Americans. This is a big one, guys, that no one's talking about. A lot of people who have gotten laid off have lost their health coverage. This is the worst time to lose your health coverage when we're all worried about a disease being spread. Now, essentially, this part of the plan, which preserves health coverage, would essentially help pay for most or all of your insurance for a certain amount of time until you can find another job. The next item extends unemployment benefits. This is a big one as well. This extends the weekly $600 federal unemployment payments through next January, essentially adding another 6 months because they are currently set to expire at the end of July. This provides a vitally safety net for the record number of Americans who are unemployed. Now, this is a big one, guys. Democrats want to extend that immediately. Republicans want to wait and see. They don't want to pass anything for another 30 days just to see how unemployment's looking. However you feel about it, that's how they differ on this one. Now, the next item, housing assistance. This helps struggling families afford a safe place to live with $175 billion in new supports to assist renters and homeowners make monthly rent, mortgage, and utility payments and other housing-related costs. This money would be allocated specifically to help people with housing assistance payments. The next item is food security. This addresses rising hunger with a 15% increase to the maximum SNAP benefits and additional funding for nutrition programs that help families put food on the table. Guys, this is what people traditionally refer to as food stamps. Essentially adding more funding to food stamps so more people cannot have to worry about having food, guys. This is huge. Safeguards for our democracy. This item includes new resources to ensure safe elections, an accurate census, and preserves the Postal Service. Now, guys, this has a lot of applications for the upcoming election. Essentially, they want to invest a lot of money from this package to ensure that these elections are safe through mail ballots, are effective, and are secure and are not able to be tampered with. Guys, so there you have it. Those are the quick overviews of the HEROES Act proposed by the Democrats. Let me know what you guys think. If you want, leave a comment below. It really helps the channel. Please like the video if you liked it. Please subscribe. It really helps the channel and you'll get more updates like this. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.